were in high school when they met, and things got kinda awkward. With sparks in the air, he would stare at her in class, and she would try to act cool. But it was obvious, like, ooh, they would be together, ooh. And one day she said, write me a love song, 'cause I know you'll make it beautiful. And maybe I'll call you my sweetheart, and promise nobody can steal me away. Then I am yours, 'cause I want you and I wanted you to know.
To you. Hi there, this is Angela. Welcome to my Simple Daily Joy channel, and I'm just going to try to give a few important tips here when you're making stickers today. What I'm going to do today, I'm going to just give a couple of tips of how you can use Canva Pro to make DIY stickers at home, waterproof stickers, stickers that you can sell, stickers that you could just print off, and I believe that you can make stickers out of Canva as well. Let's see, could you do that? Notebooks, cards, stickers. Yeah, you can make rectangle stickers, oval stickers, circle stickers, square stickers. You could, use the Canva platform to make your design and then print out your stickers using the Canva platform. I guess if you could just resize it. So what it does for you is it can resize it like this. Let's just go here. And look, isn't it pretty? That's really pretty, isn't it? Wow. So as you can see, I just chose the oval design that you can make these really cute stickers using the Canva Pro platform. It resizes for you. You can have it in pink, you can have it in all sorts of beautiful colors. DIY gifts are always special because they add such a personal touch of yours to the gift, and just give. And you know that any DIY gifts carry a bit of your heart, a lot of your heart, I would say, to the recipient. So I chose some clip art I found from a really talented Thai artist. This artist is from Chiang Mai, a part north of Bangkok, and this artist produced a number of really wonderful gnome illustrations that I just fell in love with. I just gotta, get them and give this artist a shout out for the talented work. So love you like no other. It's just a quote that I found online. You know me so well is another line that I found on online as well. So let me just walk through the design process of how I came to this creative inspiration. First, I fell in love with the gnome art. I wanted to make 5 stickers. So I started with his and hers, love you like no other. This one has a gray background. And let's go. Now, how did I choose the gray background? Let me go back to the color for those of you who have just joined me the first time. I've shown it in other videos. You go to photo colors in your Canva platform, and you have these suggested colors that are basically the color palette for this clip art. And you can choose this gray or this light color. I kind of like this color. What do you think? Sometimes it's hard to tell, so I'm just going to go to grid view, click that one and see, that's that. Is that too gray for me? If it's too gray for me, it's too gray for me. I think it's a bit tad too gray for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it out go to this color here and click on this. So I'm going to change it out, go over here, and then move it a little bit, maybe a tad like this. And just kind of play with it and see how you move. I just want a little kind of like a gray to it. I think I'm going to stick with this one. This one works for me. So I've got this one, his and hers. No, I do not want a purple. I'm going to stick with maybe the pink. Ooh, not sure I like that one. Maybe this one or this one. Or this one. Not sure. If I were to put this on a card, I may choose this one because I'm thinking of a card where I can stick the sticker in, and I want this design to pop. So I want a lighter shade. Maybe, let's see. I want a little bit of warmth to it. So I'm gonna move a little bit like that. Warm. Always a bit of warmth. Like that. Yeah, kind of work, isn't it? So as you can see, I've got the dark ones, his and hers. I'm thinking if I could put it on a hydro flask or on a computer, laptop, just to decorate my laptop, or to make customized greeting cards or on a gift bag. So I kind of like needed a color where it's strong, where it's the color background is kind of strong. So I had this. And then for this pair, I wanted something light. His and hers again, you know me so well, but in a lighter shade, the background being a lighter shade. And for this one, I'm gonna stay put on this because I'm gonna make 5 designs where there are 4 squares and 1 rectangle. So this is what I have. So as you can see for now, I have these 5 designs. Now, in order to make great stickers, you want to make sure that they are downloaded as 300 DPI. Professional printers use 300 DPIs so that the color comes up really well. But in Canva, what we have is 96 DPI. So how do we work around it? You want to go to PDF print. Now, when you click on PDF print and download things onto your computer, what gets translated is that each print will come off as a 300 DPI. So let me just go ahead and do that right now. I'm going to download the ones that I want. When you download these images as PDF print over here, the image is going to come out as 300 DPI, which is perfect for professional printing. If you want things to come off like a professional printer, make sure you download all your images as PDF print because they're going to come off as 300 DPI instead of the 96 DPI in which Canva has all its images in.